And that's how easy it is to load up a dirt bike on one of these carriers. Hauled this bike on the highway, dirt roads, hit potholes, bounced it off road, and I've never lost a bike off of this rack. The only downfall of this rack is actually right here. They come with a bolt-on bracket, and first thing you want to do is either get rid of it or bend them up. You'll see what I'm talking about. If you get one of these carriers, you'll have to bend it up, because if you strap your bike in, it'll bend up and your bike will fall off the rack. They just need to redesign that. As you can see, I unbolted mine and actually welded on plate and drilled a hole through it, and it's solid. But other than that, I don't have any complaints with this rack on this thing. And when I don't feel like driving my truck or I want to save some fuel, we take the Equinox and put it on the old bike rack and go wherever.